Good morning to all. Myself Manoj Kumar Bundela, Assistant Professor, Suresh Gyan Vihar University, Jaipur. So we are discussing about the seed production technology of vegetable crops. So today we will discuss the seed production in carrot. Seed production in carrot. The scientific name of carrot is Docus carota. So content of this PPT is introduction about the carrot, scientific classification of carrot, what the most of carrot is orange in color, why, soil and climate, land requirement, seed and sowing, time of sowing, manure and fertilizer, spacing, varieties, irrigation, weed control, pollination of carrot, isolation, distance, method of seed production, plant protection, harvesting and seed yield. That is introduction. Carrot. As we know, this carrot is a rich source of carotene. So carotene is used as a precursor for the vitamin A. It is a precursor for the vitamin A, riboflavin, rich source of riboflavin. It is a root crop. It is an antioxidant. It has the antioxidant and taste of salad. It is mainly used as a salad. It is mainly used for the taste for the salad. So this is the full form of carrot. It has a medicinal use also diuretic. It has a medicinal use also diuretic, remineralizing, anti-diarrheal, overall tonic and anti-anemic. It is an annual or biennial herb with an erect and much bract stem, 30 to 120 centimeter tall, arising from a thick fleshy taproot, 5 to 30 centimeter long, bearing flowers borne in umbel. The type of inflorescence is umbel, 5 to 30 centimeter long. The main carrot growing states are Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. So these are the major growing states of carrot. Haryana is the leading producer of carrot in India, followed by the Andhra Pradesh. So Haryana is highest in production of carrot. After that, Andhra Pradesh is the second highest. It is originated from Afghanistan in Western Asia. Carrot is grown almost all parts of India. It is grown in almost all parts of India, both in the plains and in hilly areas. It is used as a fresh, as a salad and cooked as a vegetable. Means carrot is used as a salad also and it is also used as a cooked also. It is fresh, it is used for the fresh juice, pickle and also gajar ka halwa is prepared from the carrot. Kanji is the most popular appetizer drink. Kanji is the most popular appetizer drink. It is prepared from the black carrot. The chromosome number of carrot is 2 and is equal to 18. Scientific classification. So scientifically, it is a kingdom is plenty. Order is Apelus, family is Apiaceae. It is belong to the family Apiaceae. Genus Docus, species Carota. So scientific name is Docus carota. The scientific name of carrot is Docus carota. Climate. Carrot is a cool season crop. European and temperate type carrot require the cooler climate than the tropical and Asiatic type of carrot. So European or temperate type carrot they require the low temperature as compared to the Asiatic type of carrot. The temperature range from 7 to 23 is considered as the optimum for the seed germination, while for the better root growth, 10 to 15 degrees centigrade temperature is ideal. So 7 to 23 is considered optimum for the seed germination and 10 to 15 degrees centigrade is ideal for the better root growth. 15.6 degrees centigrade से 21.1 degrees centigrade develop the best orange color roots. So 15 to 21 degrees centigrade is good for the development of orange color roots. Very high or very low temperature is not conducive conducive for the proper development of roots. If the temperature is very high or the temperature is very less, it is not good. At higher temperature, the roots become shorter, thicker, and non-juicy. If the temperature is more, the roots are become short, thick, and non-juicy, while at lower temperature, 10 to 15 degrees, they become longer. If the temperature is low, if the temperature is high, then the roots are short. If the temperature is less, then the two roots are long. 10 to 15 degrees centigrade temperature, development of poor color. If the temperature is 10 to 15, the poor color development is there. 15 to 20 degrees centigrade, develop the good color. 15 to 20 means it will develop the good color, and 20 to 25 develop the less bright color. If 20 to 25 temperature means it will develop the less bright color. Soil: carrot grown well-drained, deep, loose sandy loamy soil, rich in humus, having the pH is 6 to 7. It is grown well-drained, deep, loose, sandy loamy soil. The pH is 6 to 7. The sandy soil and sandy loamy and silt loamy are the best soil. Sandy soil, sandy loamy and silt loamy soil are the best. The soils are free from clouds are preferred for the smooth state roots. Means whatever the soils are there, it is free from the clouds, so that the roots development will be better. Heavy clay soils or compacted soils may produce the abnormal development of roots. If the heavy soils are there or clay soils are there, it will develop the abnormal development of roots, and roots become or branched. Land requirement. Field under carrot crop previous year can be used for the seed production. Uproot volunteer plants. We will go for the uprooting of the volunteer plant. Soil should be ploughed to a depth of 30 to 40 centimeters and worked to a very fine tilt. Prepare the raised bed of 1 meter width, 20 centimeter height. Means when we go, we will prepare the beds 1 meter width and 20 centimeter height. Incorporate 5 to 10 tons per hectare of cattle manure. Means 5 to 10 tons per hectare cattle manure we use, or compost to beds, and after that we will go for leveling of the bed. Can be done as: for monocropping we can go the single crop. For mixed cropping we can go for mixed cropping with the carrot with the other cool season vegetable crop, like we can go for the cabbage, cauliflower and all. Intercropping also we can go for intercropping with dhania, carrot, radish and all. Seed and sowing. Seeds and sowing. The direct sowing is well prepared field or beds having the sufficient moisture. Seed rate is 6.25 kg per hectare. The seed rate of carrot is 6.25 kg per hectare. Seed are sown in 1.5 centimeter deep on a flat beds or ridges, 10 to 15 centimeter high. Distance between the ridge is 45 centimeter for ascetic type and 30 centimeter for temperate type. The seeds are sown in 1.5 centimeter deep in flat beds. The temperature range of 7 to 23 is considered optimum for the seed germination. The temperature of 7 to 23 is considered optimum for the seed germination, while the seeds are slow germinated, taking 10 to 20 days. Thinning is done to maintain the distance of 4 to 5 centimeters between the plants. So by we have to maintain the spacing 4 to 5 centimeters between the plant, and we will go for thinning. Sowing time. The sowing of Asiatic carrot in plains is done in August to September, and by November to December the roots will be ready. August to September we will go for sowing, and November to December the roots are ready. Sowing of temperate type in plains for the root production is done during the October-December. In lower hills, the time of sowing is August to September. In mid-hills, July to September. In high hills, the time of sowing is March to July. These are the different type of sowing. Manure and fertilizers. As a market crop, it required the 100 kg of nitrogen, 50 kg of phosphorus, and 50 kg of potassium. For seed crop, it required 50 kg of nitrogen, 40 kg of phosphorus, and 40 kg of potassium. Spacing: so 30 into 40 centimeter into 5 to 10 centimeter for market crop, and for seed crop 60 into 45 centimeter, 45 into 45 centimeter, or 45 into 30 centimeter spacing we will use. Carrot varieties: so temperate or European type of varieties. Good colored roots are produced under the lower temperature. The temperature is less, the good colored roots will be produced. Seed can be produced in hilly on account of chilling requirement. So according to the chilling requirement, the seeds are produced in hilly areas. Early Nanthus, Chetini, Pusa Yamdagini, Pusa Nanjoti. So these are the temperate type of varieties. Tropical or Asiatic type of varieties for good colored roots under high temperature. Seeds can be produced in plains. Examples: N29, Pusa Kesar, and Meghali. So these are the tropical or Asiatic type of varieties. Irrigation: the crop required frequent irrigation of 4 to 6 days interval during the summer and 10 to 12 days interval during the winter or cool season. Frequent irrigation is required 4 to 6 10 days interval, 10 to 12 days interval for winter, and for cool season it requires the less irrigation. Irrigation after a long dry period result into the splitting or cracking of the roots. So if irrigation after the long spell of dry period, so it will cause the cracking or splitting of the root. Weed control: 2 to 3 hand weeding and light hoeing can be done 2 to 4 weeks after planting. The earthing up the plant once or twice at a root formation stage. When the root formation is there, that time we will go for earthing up of the plant. So that's why it will be the roots will be developed properly. If we not go for earthing up, the plant will be fall down. Means the roots will be not developed properly. When roots are exposed to the sunlight, they will develop the green color at the crown or shoulder. Pollination of carrot. So carrot is a cross-pollinated crop. Pollination is occurs mainly through the bees, means honeybees or any bees will be used. The pollen viability is depends on the temperature. So if temperature is less, the pollen will be more viable. Isolation distance. For foundation seeds, it is 1000-meter distance, and for certified seeds, it is 800-meter distance. The isolation distance is different for foundation and certified seeds. Foundation 1000 meters and certified seed 800 meters. Method of seed production. We can use the two methods. Seed to seed method we can use, or we can use the root to seed method. So these are the two methods we use. In seed to seed method, the problem of root rot is more. In seed to seed method, root rate is the major problem. Root to seed method. When root formation is completed after 4 to 4.5 months, these are uprooted. When the seed root formation is completed, then we will go for uprooting of the roots after 4 to 4.5 months. Big core in carrot is not desirable. If the core size is big, then it is not desirable. Normally, the temperate varieties have the small and colored core. After acerating 2 to type characteristics, separate the plants according to the size of the roots. When roots have been uprooted, replant stickling immediately. After that, we will go for uprooting of the roots. Store the root in trunks and transplanting in spring. After that, we will store them and then we go for transplanting into the springtime. Roots are cut when we replant in spring. When we go for replanting in spring, that time we will cut the roots. Stage of field inspection. So normally field inspection will be done 30 days after sowing at lifting of roots and staking preparation. First is 30 days after sowing, after that when the lifting of the roots, so staking them, and third one is at the time of flowering. So these are the three stages of inspection we have to do. Seed setting. Seed setting is 100% in primary amble. 90 to 100% in secondary umbel, and 82.7% in tertiary umbel. And the seed setting will be start between 100% in primary umbel, 90 to 100 in secondary umbel, and 82.7% in tertiary umbel. The flowers are hermaphrodite, protandrous. Male will mature first. Flowers are hermaphrodite and protandrous. Protandrous means the male plant will be mature first. Protandrous. Androecium will mature first. Primary umbel, secondary umbel, and tertiary umbel. You can see in this the primary umbel, secondary umbel, and tertiary umbel. Roguing. Roguing are done first at the vegetative growth stage. First roguing will be done at the time of vegetative growth stage. Second, for the root uprooting and replanting stage. When we go for root uprooting and then when we go for replanting stage, that time we will go for roguing. Third, at full bloom period, when the flowers are completely developed, that time we will go for roguing. Fourth, at maturity for the late bolters. Normally for at the time of maturity when the bolting will be occur, that time we will go for roguing. So these are the four stages. First is vegetative growth stage, second root uprooting stage, third full bloom period, and fourth is maturity. Plant protection. In carrot, we do not have a serious disease in India, but a few common diseases are there, like leaf spot. For leaf spot, we can go for Dietane Z78, 0.2 to 0.3%. Bacterial leaf spot is common during the storage and transport. Thrips, they will suck the sap from the flowers. Use the malathion or rogar we can use to control the thrips. Carrot fly: much hoeing is not desirable as the smell of the leaves attracts the carrot fly and it will lay the egg in the disturbed soil and cracked field. Seed-borne disease: the carrot leaf blight is seed-borne, black rot or seedling blight. It is caused by the A. radicum, leaf spot Cercospora caroti, brown root rot. It is caused by the Gibberella adventris, fomo rot, bacterial blight, and carrot mottled dwarf. So these are seed-borne disease. Harvesting and seed yield: the carrot inflorescence is compound umbel. There are the primary, secondary and tertiary umbels. The primary umbels are mature first, followed by secondary and tertiary. So the harvesting is done at the interval of 2 to 3 splits. It have the three umbels: primary, secondary and tertiary. So primary umbels will mature first, then secondary, then tertiary. So we will harvest in 2 to 3 days interval. Seeds are threshed with sticks. After that we will thresh the seed with the help of sticks. Seed yield is 5 to 6 quintal per hectare for temperate varieties and 6 to 10 quintal per hectare for acidic type of varieties. So seed yield is 5 to 6 quintal for temperate and 6 to 10 quintal for acidic type of varieties. 1000 seed weight is 800 gram, 800 milligram. Why most of the carrot is orange in color? So color of the carrot is decided by the different genes. Like orange color of the carrot is due to the beta carotene, red color of carrot lycopene, red color lycopene, orange color beta carotene, purple color of carrot anthocyanin, yellow color of carrot is xanthophyll, yellow xanthophyll, purple anthocyanin, red lycopene, orange beta carotene. Seed standards. So when we go for seed bed, packing, we have to give the some seed standards like pure seed percentage. The pure seed percentage is in foundation seed it is 95%, in certified seed is 94% pure seed. Inert matter, the maximum inert matter will be 5% in foundation seed, in certified seed it is 6% inert matter. Germination percentage, for foundation seed, the germination percentage is 60. For certified seed, the germination percentage is 55%. For germination percent, 55 for certified seeds. Other crop seeds, maximum in foundation seed 0.05% and in certified seed 0.10%. So these are the seed standard that we have to mention when we go for packing of the seeds. Like the what is the purity percentage, pure seeds, how much percent pure seed, maximum pure seed percentage are there. Maximum means 95% pure seeds are there. Inert matter will be less, means very less. Maximum it is 5% only inert matter are there. Inert matter will be germination percentage is how much is possible, means if is more germination percentage are there then it is more good. Other crop seed are maximum 0.05% other crop seeds are there. No more other crop seeds will be there in the crop. So the color we are already discussed. Production technology of carrot means how we can develop the carrot. So normally we will use the root to seed method only for the seed production in carrot. Seed to seed method we will not use. So why we not use the seed to seed method? Because in seed to seed method the root rot is the major problem. Seed to seed method means first we sow the seeds, after that the roots will develop and we keep the roots in field itself, and then after that in next season the flowering will be start. The roots inside the field means root is always in the field itself, means we will not remove the root, we will keep the root in field itself, and from that only the flowers will come. So what will happen? The root rotting, because roots are more time in the soil only. So there is a chance of root rotting. That's why we will not go for seed to seed method. Seed to seed method means root rotting is the major problem. That's why we will go for root to seed method. So first we sow the seeds, then we take the harvest the roots, then we keep the roots in trenches. We will store the root in trenches, and then after that, that roots again in next season we will use that roots for the seed production. So in this, the quality of the seeds are good. We will get the more seed yield, and the chance of attack of any disease is very less in this. This is all about the seed production in carrot. Thank you. Thank you.